So you did it with your partner.
We're out here on another rescue. So we got the Monte here. We're gonna tow it. We're using a tow dolly, and we didn't have space here, so all we did was put a heavy-duty jack stand, jack on the other side, and we pressed down on the trunk, which is pretty heavy, but as you press it down, it kind of seesaws the front forward, and you're able just to walk your tow dolly right underneath it, and we got her on there. Very easy. So now all we're gonna do is back the truck right here and pull her away. So we did get the Monte Carlo out of the parking spot. It was tough, but it is completely doable on your tow dolly. So if you ever wondered if you can get your vehicle out of a parking spot with your tow dolly, you most certainly can. It's just going to take a lot of determination, but it can be done.